We are live, and welcome to this edition of Outsourced Pharma Live. I'm Louis Garguilo, Chief Editor of OutsourcedPharma.com. Thank you all for being here. Before I introduce our impressive panel of professionals and we learn from their experiences, let me ask you to keep in mind the key questions that make up the introduction of today's topic, emerging models for outsourcing development and manufacturing. Because a primary goal today is helping ensure you are asking these questions and you continue to ask them throughout your organization. And the questions are, what is our outsourcing strategy based on? Do we actually have a coherent, informative strategy? If we can identify that overall approach, is it the best path to accomplish our objectives? Do we have the right contracts and external relationships in place to successfully implement that strategy? Are there new business models out there for sponsor CDMO partnerships? What are other drug developers doing? And finally, what are the CDMOs up to?